Well, hello there. Today I have a recipe tutorial for you, and this is for a s'mores poke cake. This is pretty easy, and you can do it from scratch, or you can go ahead and use a cake mix if you want. So let's dive right in. For this recipe, if you're not using a cake mix, you'll need flour, baking soda, baking powder, salt for basically the cake mix. And then you also need Graham Cracker Crumbs, eggs, brown sugar, regular sugar, buttermilk, or if you don't have any, milk, melted butter, and vanilla for the cake part. In a bowl, you're going to combine your flour, graham cracker crumbs, cinnamon, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. In another bowl, you're going to add you're going to either melt your butter or add your melted butter, and then you're going to whisk in your sugar and your brown sugar. And then you're going to add in your milk or buttermilk, eggs, and vanilla. Then you're going to mix all that. You're going to combine your butter mixture in with your flour mixture and mix that until fully combined. You're going to pour that into your prepared 13 by 9 pan, and then you're going to go ahead and bake that at 350 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes. Everyone's ovens are different, so just peek in on your cake until it's nice and golden brown and a knife comes clean out of the middle. You're going to let the cake cool for about 10 minutes, and then you're going to go ahead and take the back of a spoon or a spatula and poke holes all through the cake so you get lots of areas for that filling to seep into. Then you're going to take your milk and your pudding and you're going to whisk those together until they're nice and smooth, and then you're going to pour that, and if it's a little thick, you can do one box of pudding. If you want it to be like a little thinner, if you want a little bit of a thicker chocolatey filling, do 2. And then pour that over the cake and use a spatula or an offset spatula to make sure you've got the whole cake covered, and you're going to let that sit for about half an hour. Then you're going to want to pop that in the fridge and let it chill until it's completely cooled. And then you're going to make your topping. You're going to add in a bowl, you're going to add your Cool Whip and your Marshmallow Fluff and mix it until smooth. You're going to spread that evenly on top of your cooled chocolate pudding, and then you can add your Graham Cracker Crumbs and your mini chocolate chips to make it s'mores-tastic. If you're a s'mores fan, I really suggest you try this cake. I really hope you do. And if you do try it and like it, make sure to comment below. And what is your favorite s'mores dessert? Traditional s'mores, s'mores cake, s'mores cupcakes. I mean, there's so many different things that people have started to make s'mores into. So what is your favorite s'mores dessert? If it's something I haven't done or I haven't heard of, I'd love to hear it, and then maybe I can try a recipe for it. So I love to get you guys' suggestions. I'm always looking for recommendations of what recipes or videos, tutorials, tips, tricks, anything you guys want to see on the channel, on the social media, Instagram, Facebook, on the channel, YouTube, what videos you guys want to see. So make sure to comment below what you guys want to keep seeing, or what flavors you want to see, anything, whatever you want to see. I always love to get you guys' feedback, so I'm making sure to put out there what you guys want. And of course, if you haven't already, make sure to have liked this video and also subscribe and hit the notification bell, because that helps support the channel, which helps keep me being able to make these videos and everything. So I hope you guys have a great day. And as always, live, love, eat sweets.